What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently seeing at 83 cents, down 3.2 on the day. See market cap of 7.76 billion. 24-hour volume 332 million. So let's hop into the charts. Looks like Matic could potentially be coming down in our wave 5, and that would take you down to the 618, which is 76 cents, which would complete our pullback. And basically, if we zoom out, what we could be looking at here is that this wave 2 pullback is complete, leading diagonal wave 1 pullback in the 2. This is our target zone. This is the normal retracement, but I don't know if it's going to make it all the way down that far and then see continuation to the upside. I talked about us coming back down to this level of supports at about 76 cents. I do think that's very possible, around 76 to about 79 cents before potentially seeing a bounce. As you can see, the RSIs in the floor. Money flow is quite low. Actually, there's a big bullish divergence. As you can see, we created a lower low and we created a nice higher low on the money flow on the daily chart. So that's something to watch as well. Ethereum, basically still looking for that wave 5. If we do come up and break this wave 4 high at about 1848, it could invalidate this, and potentially these pullbacks could be finished at any time, so just keep that in mind. Same thing for Matic. Let me pop back open to the hourly chart. If we come up and we break that wave 4 high, then there is potential that the pullback is finished, and what you would be looking at is a 1-2, right? You look at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and seeing continuation to the upside. So do watch for that. I do prefer to see one more low. I think that's more likely, but we have met the minimum targets for Bitcoin and Ethereum for this pullback. So the wave 5 target would be 1731. I think we could come to set down to 1704, which would be our target zone for the wave 2. All right, gang, weekly chart came right back down to those weekly EMAs that we've been calling for. We're currently holding the 55 EMA. We're also holding, we retested this trend line of this inverse head and shoulders with the target of 2718. So I do think the continuation to the upside is near. Even if we see one more low, we'll bottom out and we will see that continuation, in my opinion. Of course, nothing is promised. So just take it with a grain of salt. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So this is what we're looking for Matic. We are seeing a little bit of an impulsive move down here, which is typical of a wave 3. So we'll be looking for a 345 to bring us down to our target zone. However, if we were to push up and break this previous high, about 87 cents, we could look at a potential bottom being in and seeing continuation to the upside. But until then, my preference is that we're coming down in one more lower low. All right, gang, we are currently in a Bitcoin trade, which is in profits. You can get free access to my signals. 30-day free trial if you sign up to Bitget or Bybit. You make your first deposit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Check out my full-length tutorials. All you have to do is email me or sign up email. 30-day free trial to my signals, analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays. All other chat rooms are free if you sign up to the exchanges. You don't even have to make your first deposit. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access to the signals, it's only $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.